Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin tong lab na OS command injection, the simple case. So essentially, this lab contains an OS command injection vulnerability in the product stock checker. So the application executes a shell command containing a user-supplied product and store ID and returns the raw output from the command in its response. No? So to solve the lab, execute who am I and determine the name of the current user. So access natin yung lab. Tignan natin tong lab natin ngayon and marami tayong products. So, pili tayo isa. View details. And sa baba, merong check stock, no? So, tignan natin London, Paris, Milan. Check natin yung check stock. And tignan natin kung ano yung tsura ng request. So, ayan yung request. Product stock. May product ID tsaka store ID. So, we can send this to the repeater and tignan natin kung anong nangyayari, no? So, pag binago ba natin yung product ID, ano mangyari? So, let's say, lagyan natin na semicolon. Nakikita natin na unbound variable, sh something something not found. So, this indicates na yun nga, ina-execute yung command natin directly within the terminal. No? So, if we say, let's say, semicolon who am I? Sabi niya, hindi niya gets daw yung extra operand. So, maybe, let's say, 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang nangyayari is yung command natin nagiging semicolon who am I 1, no? So, try natin lipat sa kabila kung gumana. And, ayan, gumana nga yung ating who am I, no? And, at the same time, solved na yung ating lab. Okay? So, ang nangyari dito is, na-execute muna yung initial na query natin, which is product ID store ID 1, semicolon who am I. Kaya lumabas yung name ng user. Okay? I hope na-gets nyo to and see you in the next video.